Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can install an application dependency along with the application using Intune. There may be an instance where we need to install the dependency before installing the application. Intune gives us a flexibility where you can specify that these are the dependency applications and this has to be installed automatically along with the application. Let's go ahead and have a look how you can do that. Let's click on the applications and Windows. You can just click on add and choose Windows app, select next and select the package you want to install along with the actual application. This is the file which I want to install along with the application. Select this one, click OK and provide the publisher name. And now you have to specify the install and the uninstall command for the application. I already have those commands noted down. This is the command which Intune will use to install the application, and this will be the command which will be used to uninstall the application. Even you can specify the device restart behavior, that if in case the application need the device to be restarted, then you can specify here that application will install and force the device to restart. After that, you can specify the operating system architecture for which this application is available. Let me select both, and the minimum version of an operating system. Now, once the application is installed, we have to specify what is the detection rule, or when the system will know that yes, application is installed on the device. In this case, I'm choosing a particular manually creating the detection rule. Now, in next step, what we need to provide a rule format to know that whether the application is really present on the system or not. Let me choose it to manual. If you have any script, you can choose a detection script. Otherwise, you can configure the manual detection rule. Click on add and it will be a file. Now you can specify the path where the application will be installed, and in this folder the system have to look for this file. You can specify the detection method as file and folder and click OK. I don't have any dependency for this application because this application itself is a dependency for other. Click on next, let it be default. I'm not going to assign this application to any user because this application will be automatically installed once the actual application will be installed. Click on create. You can check the status here. Application is created and now it will start uploading the application binaries. It may take some time. I'm going to pause the video till the time this finish and then I will resume the session. Now the application is uploaded successfully and is available for the use. Similarly, we will be adding the application which we really want to install on the devices which our users will be using. Let's go to the applications again and click on the platform. Select add, and I will be doing the same thing again, selecting the application package file now. This Azure Monitor Agent is the application which I want to install on the devices. Select OK. Provide the publisher name. Click on next and I already have the install and the uninstall commands. Click on next. Requirement, I need to specify the architecture again and the minimum OS. I can specify the rule format as manual, and for this application I will be using the MSI, and this is the product code for this MSI file. Next, and this is the place where I will be adding the dependencies. Click on add and select the application which will be the dependency for this, and you can choose whether you want to automatically whether it will get automatically installed or not. Let's keep it default. Next, and now I will be assigning the application to the group. This is the group where I have my devices, and I will be pushing my application onto these devices. Click on next and let's create. Let's wait for some more time till the time this application get uploaded and created successfully, and I will be back. Application is created now, and now let's have a look on the status of applications on the desktop. As we can see, we don't have the application installed on the device, and let's wait for some time till this application get downloaded on the device, and after that get installed. Let me try to initiate a sync. As of now, we don't have those application installed on this device. Let's see if the installation started. We can see in the notification area that the installation of Azure Monitor Agent is started after downloading and installation of the dependency applications. Let's try to refresh this. And we can see here the applications are installed now. This is the dependency application, and this is the application which we want to install on the desktops. We can see the status of the application is installed now in the Intune console. I hope this will be informative for you, and please do share and subscribe if you find worth sharing it. Thank you. Have a nice day.